An audible alarm indicates the diagnostic system has detected a fault. Check Commander's information display. Press the red diagnostic button. Notice antenna location in overall view. The diagnostic system isolated the fault by checking all possible causes of the symptom. Remove 4 5/16" socket head screws. Disconnect cable from antenna assembly. Danger: electric shock hazard. Click the hazard indicator to continue. Connect cable to replacement antenna assembly. Align replacement antenna assembly with vehicle mounting holes and fasten with 4 5/16" socket head screws. Torque to 11 foot-pounds. At the Commander's information display, Confirm Diagnostic button has returned to green.